Listen to me real close. If you watch this entire video and apply every single step I give you, your next video will go viral. Not maybe, not we'll see. I fucking guarantee it. And if it doesn't, it ain't the algorithm, it's your coward ass refusing to grow a pair of balls and do what works. This is Lester Crest, spitting everything I learned while watching lazy-ass gurus get rich off regurgitated garbage. They teach fluff, I teach fire. This is what actually makes videos explode. Let's go. Rule number 1, command the like. You do not ask, you do not beg, you fucking command. Say if that last tip slapped, hit the like button, unless you are allergic to wedding. Or even better, only smart motherfuckers hit the like button. So what are you gonna do? Prove me wrong. People hit like because they want to feel seen, feel clever, feel powerful. So you flip that switch, like equals validation, like equals identity. Make it feel like if they do not like the video, they are just another silent, broke-ass spectator. Rule number 2, burn up the comment section. You want comments? Trigger the psychology. Say, most of you are gonna quit watching before this even ends. But if you are still here, type, I'm locked the fuck in right now. Prove me wrong. Pin a comment that calls them out. Which rule are you too scared to apply right now? Don't lie. Drop it below. People do not comment unless they are emotionally touched. So touch them. Push buttons. Drop truth bombs. Stir shit up. That is what drives engagement, not hugs and smiles. Rule number 3, force the subscription. You do not politely suggest it. You hit them in the chest with it. Say, if you want to build a real fucking movement and hijack the algorithm with me, then subscribe right fucking now. Otherwise, just keep scrolling and watching your dream bleed out. People subscribe when they feel like they are missing something. So create FOMO so strong it hurts. Say you miss this content once, fine. Miss it twice, you might as well unsubscribe from success entirely. Rule number 4, make them share that shit. If your video is not getting shared, YouTube ain't pushing it, period. You gotta drop a line like, if this video punched you in the face with truth, send it to someone else who needs to get knocked the fuck out too. Or, if your best friend is still uploading videos nobody watches, send this and save their life. Sharing tells the algorithm, this video has social value. And when YouTube hears that, you're on the fucking rocket ship whether your video is perfect or not. Bonus rule number 5, dominate the goddamn watch time. Let me slap you in the mouth with this real quick. YouTube pays out 25 to 35 million fucking dollars a day. Every single day. And they are looking for creators who can keep people on the platform longer. So if someone watches one of your videos and then another one right after, you become digital cocaine. YouTube starts fiending for your content. They push your shit like it is a Netflix original. Make your videos bingeable. Turn them into a fucking series. Say, if this video gave you a brain orgasm, wait till you watch the next one. It will blow your goddamn spine out. And link to it at the end, because when they watch 2 in a row, the algorithm treats you like you have a golden pussy and it cannot stop chasing the hit. And I am not joking. That is how this game works. The viral trigger blueprint. Command the like, bait the comment, trigger the sub, force the share, own the watch time. If you're not doing all 5, you are just fucking hoping. And hoping does not go viral. I do not give a fuck if your camera is trash, your lighting sucks, or your audio sounds like it is underwater. If people like, comment, share, subscribe, and binge, you will win. So stop bullshitting, stop doubting, stop acting like this ain't possible, and start fucking doing it. This is Grand Hustle Media. I am Lester Crest, and I am here to remind you, you are either uploading for dominance, or you are just another watcher hoping to get lucky, and luck is for losers. And if you are still sleeping on YouTube, let me slap you awake with this. YouTube pays out between 25 to 35 million fucking dollars every single day. That is not theory. That is not affiliate marketing. That is just ad revenue, passive money. For videos people forgot they even uploaded. So yeah, keep watching content like a consumer, or finally start dropping your own and cashing in like a fucking savage. And if you do not know where to start, grab the Creator Comeback Kit. The link is in the description. It has everything you need to get your first viral video, even if you have no face, no mic, no budget, and no time. No more excuses. Let's make YouTube pay you instead of the other way around.